Exercise 1. Bodyweight squats. First up, the king of lower body exercises, bodyweight squats. These are fantastic for strengthening your thighs, glutes, and even your core. Benefits: builds lower body strength, improves balance and posture, burns calories, and increases your metabolism. Keep your chest up, push through your heels, and don't let those knees cave in. Aim for 12 to 15 reps to get that burn going. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more fitness tips. Exercise 2. Muscle stretches. Next, let's stretch those muscles. Stretching improves flexibility and reduces stiffness, especially if you've been sitting all day. Benefits: increases blood flow to your muscles, prevents injuries during workouts, helps you feel relaxed and less stressed. Remember to hold each stretch for 15 to 20 seconds and take deep breaths. It's all about feeling good and loosening up. Exercise 3. Leg workout. Now let's fire up those legs. This workout targets your hamstrings, calves, and quads, giving your legs strength and endurance. Benefits: boosts lower body power, enhances athletic performance, strengthens joints, and stabilizes your knees. Do lunges, step-ups, or any variation you like. Shoot for 10 to 12 reps per leg and keep moving. Exercise 4. Lying leg stretch. Time to hit the floor for the lying leg stretch. This one is amazing for relieving tightness in your hamstrings and lower back. Benefits: enhances flexibility in the legs, reduces lower back pain, improves posture and alignment. Keep your back flat, hold one leg up straight, and pull gently toward your chest. Switch sides and repeat for a soothing stretch. Exercise 5. Warm-up routine. Never skip your warm-up. It preps your body for the workout and reduces the risk of injury. Benefits: increases heart rate and blood circulation, lubricates your joints for smooth movement, boosts energy levels and focus. Keep it simple with light jogging, jumping jacks, or arm circles for 3 to 5 minutes. Your body will thank you. Exercise 6. Sportsman stretching. Let's try some sportsman stretching. This is great for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking to improve range of motion and prevent tightness. Benefits: enhances mobility and agility, prepares your muscles for explosive movements, reduces muscle soreness post-workout. Incorporate moves like lunging twists or high kicks. These dynamic stretches will get you ready for anything,